Hello guys, today we'll show you how to make WordPress affiliate blog website for affiliate marketing, affiliate Amazon, aff- affiliate on eBay, everything. So we make website like this self.com. These are categories for fitness, food, health, beauty, shopping, and this is also affiliate blog. So when we open one blog, it look like blog, then also embed products, affiliate products there. So we make this kind of website. Today we'll show you how to make this kind of website on WordPress with Elementor. Basically, this is Elementor tutorial how to make affiliate marketing website on WordPress using Elementor. So first of all, we need domain to make website. So we make domain first. I already purchased my domain. So I start working on my subdomain. So my domain is BUT and main domain is Go Officials and then create. In this video, I'll show you how to customize WordPress theme and plugins, how to install WordPress from cPanel. So this is our first lecture. So subdomain is created. Now we need SSL on our website. Let's encrypt SSL and then go to beauty and then click on issue. HTTP click on issue. Now again issue and DNS. Where is beauty? Then click on issue and click on DNS and then issue. So now install WordPress on website. Go to cPanel and then click on WordPress there, WordPress manager, and then click on install and then select your domain with HTTPS and my domain is beauty. This is beauty, then remove this WP and then this is admin pass beauty and then pass and then click on install. Yes, your website WordPress installed. So now click on this. So now all good. WordPress installed on your website. Now your website look is this. Okay. First of all, clean your WordPress. Delete all unnecessary things. Skin option, untick, and then go to post. Remove all unnecessary post. Move to trash, and then delete permanently. Click on it and delete permanently. Now go to pages. Also delete all these pages, move to trash, and then delete permanently. That's it. Okay. Now go to appearance, themes, and we use Hello Elementor theme. Add new, click on Hello Elementor and then install and then activate it. Also install Elementor plugin. After installation, please activate plugin here. Okay. Now your website look is this. Okay. Now click on this cross button and then go to appearance, themes, and then delete all unnecessary themes. We really don't use these themes. Okay, okay. Our WordPress is ready. Now go to plugins and then delete all plugins except Elementor and then click delete. Yes, your plugin is deleted. Elementors. Then go to setting and rating and click on this search engine visibility. Okay, and save changes. Okay, now go to permalinks and then click on post name and save changes. Now your website is this. Okay, now we need to customize with our website name. Yes, then customize. Okay, our website name is Beauty's Era. Beauty's Era. Okay, and then remove tagline for now. I don't have a logo for now. I will upload logo in next video. So click on publish and then close this. Now website name is Beauty's Era and we are done for now. In next video, I will show you how to make header, this kind of header, this search button. I will customize this kind of header, this menu. In next video, I will show you how to make this. In next video, we make header and footer. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.